Right. Everyone see, Amma. Here, sixth problem is, so natural numbers 1 to infinity is given. Operation is the star is given. A star B is equal to LCM of A and B. Okay, na? Inverse is we are going to find A. So what is the fifth bit of the sixth problem is the inverse is required for the inverse seventh is completed. Seventh problem same everyone. So here is operation table G set is given, star is given, A star B the LCM of A and B. So here set is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is given, LCM of 1 and 1 is the 1 and 2 is the 2, 1 and 3 is the 3, 1 and 4 is the 4, 1 and 5 is the 5. But 2 and 1 is the 2, 2 and 2 LCM is the 2, 2 and 3 LCM is the 6, but 6 does not belong to the G set. 6 does not belong to the G set. So it is not in the C, 6 is not in the G set. In the same way, so 10 does not belong to the 2 and 5 LCM is the 10 does not belong to the G set. Therefore, inverse does not exist. Okay, na? So here, so inverse with the seventh problem is yes, the star does not exist inverse. Does not exist inverse. Why mean? So does not exist inverse. Why means other set elements other than the set elements are we are getting. So okay, na? Seventh problem is clear, na everyone? Right. Now I go through the eighth problem. Everyone see. Eighth problem is here star eighth problem. Everyone observe. Eighth problem is star is the binary operation. Star is the operation. Here operation is the star. Next, what is the given is set is equal to n. N means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Up to infinity is a set. Okay, na? Right. Uh, so A star B defined by A star B is defined by HCF of HCF of so HCF of A and B, HCF of A and B, A and B, HCF of A and B is given. So is a commutative, is a associative, does exist identity. So see everyone. Here is what they are going to given problem is I am going to take set is given. That's why I will take examples. If it is true, then I will write a commutative symbol. Otherwise, I can't write. Okay. Na? So first one we are going to check the commutative. So everyone see commutative. Commutative means everyone observe. Commutative means everyone observe. I will take 2 and 3. So what is the 2 and 3? I will take here. 2 belongs to n and 3 belongs to n such that 2 star operation 3. What is the HCF of 2 and 3? 2 and 3. What is the HCF of 2 and 3? The 1. 1 also belonging to the n. Satisfied. Okay, na? Reverse order. 3 star 2 operation 3 operation 2 HCF of 3 and 2. 3 and 2. What is the HCF of 3 and 2? Is the 1 belongs to natural number satisfied. A star B is equal to B star A. Therefore, it is a commutative. Now we should write down for all A belongs to the set N, B belongs to the set N. This is the example such that A star B is equal to B star A. Therefore, star is commutative. Star is commutative. Okay, na? Associative. You should take three elements. Associative, you can check by the three elements. Okay, na? Associative. Associative is, I will take three elements. Here I will take three elements. So three elements. Example I will check. So 2 belongs to n, 3 belongs to n, and 5 belongs to n. Okay, na? 5 belongs to n. Okay, na? So here is 2 star 3 star 5. Bracket of 3 star 5. We can see 3 star 5 HCF is 1. So 3 star 5 HCF is 1. 2 star HCF of 3 and 5. 3 and 5 HCF is a 1. 2 star 1. 2 star 1. What is the 2 star 1 is? So 2 and 1 HCF of 2 and 1 is a 1 only. 2 into 1 is a 1. So this part is completed. So A star, B star, C is completed. I go through the, so next part is the reverse order. I will check after it is true, then I will write. Okay, na? Yeah, here I will write reverse order. See, 2 star, 2 star, 2 star, 3 star 5. 5. Now see, this is LCM HCF of 2 and 3 star 5. 2 and 3 HCF is a 1 star 5. This is HCF of 1 and 5. That is equal to 5. That is equal to 1. Therefore, A star, B star, C and B star, A star, B star, B both have the same value. Therefore, example is true. Example is true. Therefore, associative should be write down. Therefore, associative should be write down. Here, associative I am writing. Associative I am writing. For all, A belongs to n, B belongs to n, C belongs to n, such that A belongs to n, B such that A star, B star, C is equal to bracket of A star, B star, C. Therefore, star is associative. Star is associative. Star is associative. So it is a commutative and it is a associative. Last point is in this one. So associative identity is exist or does not exist. They are asking about identity. Okay, na? I will see. Identity I am going to check. Everyone observe. Identity I will check. I will check the identity. Everyone observe the identity. For example, I will take identity as a 1, it will be satisfied. I will take 4, it will be failed. Okay. So identity, any element, there is a chance. So here you see identity. Identity we can see. What is the identity is? So for all, A belongs to natural number, E belongs to natural number, E is the symbol of identity, that such that A star E is equal to A, or E star A also A. So that is called as a E is the identity element. For example, I will take 1 star 4 identity HCF of 1, HCF of 1 and 4 is equal to 1. This is the correct one. 1 star 2 is the 1, 1 star 3 is the 1, 1 star 5 is the 1. But another element we can take. Another element we can take. Okay, na? So I will take 2 star 4. This is equal to HCF of 2 and 4. That is equal to 2 only. So here is the 4 is the identity element. So here is the 4 is not a identity element. Fail. Okay, na? Here 4 is the identity element. We get the same A. Okay, na? So here is the 4. Next we can see. So to get the same element A only 4 is the identity. 3 star 4 is equal to HCF of 3 and 4 is equal to 1. Not getting. 3 not getting. 3 not getting. Here see 1 star 4. 4 is the identity element. 1 is A is getting. So here A is getting. A star E is equal to A is getting in this one. A is the one getting. Here is A star E is equal to A. Here 2 also getting. A is the 2 is getting. But here A star E, A not getting. A not getting means so identity element is not satisfied. 1 we can take satisfied. Fail case is there. But 4 also natural number. Fail case is there. Therefore, we should write star. Star is not a identity. Star is not a identity. Star is not identity. Right. Is it clear now? 1 we can take satisfied. 2 we get 4 is means getting. 4 is satisfying 2 element. But third element is not satisfying. So therefore, no identity. Star is not a fail case. Therefore, star is not a identity. Right. 9th, 10th problems, both are combined. I am going to work out the 9th and the 10th. Tomorrow only 11th, 12th, 11, 12, 13 we have to completed mean total exercise completed. Tomorrow I will start inverse trigonometric functions also. Inverse trigonometric functions also will start tomorrow. So that's why I'm sending the second video. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see 9th problem. Ninth problem. So what is the 9th problem is? So 9th, 10th, both are combined. I am proving 9th and 10th. Same 9th problem and 10th problem. In 10th problem, identity we have to find. 9 and 10 combinedly I am going to prove. Right, see. 9th is, 9th is commutative, we can check. Commutative, associative, and 10th one is identity. And 10th one is identity. This is the 9th problem. Commutative you can check, associative, same 9th problem. In 10th one is given, identity we can be checked. We should 10th one is given, same problem, identity we can be find out. Same problem, that's why all are I will find out. Okay, na? So commutative, associative, identity means two problems, 9th and 10th should be completed. Right, first bit is A operation, B here set is given by a rational numbers, integers and P by Q form. Right, operation star is given. Operation is a star. The star is defined by first bit. Star is defined by set is given operation first bit. A star B is equal to A minus B. Right. Find out the commutative. 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 You can see commutative is first to find out A star B, that is equal to A minus B. Find out B star A, B star A, that is equal to B minus A, that is the minus of A minus B. Both are not equal. A star B is not equal to B star A. So star is not a commutative. Star is not commutative. Star is not commutative. Right. Associative, check them everyone. Associative. A star bracket of B star C. First find out A star bracket of B star C is B minus C. Next, again star A minus of B minus C. This is A minus B plus C. Next, A star bracket B star C. A minus B star C. Next, first element minus second element. A minus B minus C. Both are not equal. Here is the A minus B plus C. Here is the A minus B minus C. Therefore, A star bracket of B star C is not equal to, so A bracket of A star B star C. So star is not associative. Star is not associative. Star is not associative. Is it clear? Star is not associative. Star is not associative. Is it clear, everyone? Star is not associative. Star is not associative. Right. Identity. I will check 10th problem. Same problem. Identity. Identity is. What is the identity? A star E is equal to A. A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A is equal to E star A is equal to E star A. Okay, I will write clearly. Identity here I will write. Identity property A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A is equal to E star A. Satisfied means identity. Not satisfied means it is not a identity. It is not a identity. Everyone see. E star A. E star A. Okay, na? Left side take them. First left side, right side. A star E. So I will write here two parts. A star E is equal to A. A is equal to E star A. A is equal to E star A. Okay, na? Right, see. By A minus E is equal to A. A minus A is equal to E. E is equal to 0 from here. Okay, na? Here check everyone. A is equal to E minus A. 2A is equal to E. E is not a equal element. Here 0. Identity is a unique, but different identity is getting. Here 0 is getting, here 2 is getting. Identity is unique, but identity we are getting. Identity is unique. Identity is unique, but we get different identities, but we get different, different different E values. Therefore, star is not identity, is not identity. That's enough. So clear, everyone? I go through the second bit. A star B. I go through the second bit. Everyone check. A star B. What is the second bit is? Everyone check out what is the second bit is. Second bit is A star B is equal to A square plus B square. Commutative. Everyone see commutative. Commutative, see everyone. See commutative. First to find out A star B. A star B value. So by this one, A square plus B square. A square plus B square. B star A find out. B star A find out. That is equal to B square plus A square. A square plus B square or B square plus A square both are same. Therefore, A star B is equal to B star A. So star is S commutative. Star is commutative. Okay, na? So B is A square plus B square. Both are same commutative. Associative CM. Associative. Three elements take A star bracket of B star C. That is A star bracket of B square plus C square. This is first element, second element, A square plus B square plus C square whole square. This is A square plus B power of 4 plus C power of 4 plus 2B square C square plus 2B square C square. Okay, now find out A star B star C. Find out. First one is A square plus B square. A square plus B square star C. First element square plus second element square. A square plus B square whole square plus C square. This is the A power of 4 plus B power of 4 plus 2A square B square C square not equal A star B. A star B star C is not equal to A star B star C. Star is not a associative. Star is not a associative. Star is not associative. Is not associative, but it is a commutative, but not a associative. Commutative, but not a associative. Is it clear? Commutative, but not a associative. See one time answer is the everyone. What is the ninth problem? Yes, this is the commutative only, but not a associative is correct. Commutative, but not a associative is correct. Identity. Everyone see identity. Identity. A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. Unique element only we can get. Here two parts we can make. A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. Here see, this is the A square plus E square is equal to A. Here A is equal to E square plus A square. Next one. E square is equal to A minus A square. E is a root term. Root terms are not rational numbers. Root terms are not rational number. One example we can take. Example A is equal to 2. Therefore, A is equal to 2. E is equal to root over 2 minus 2 square. 2 minus 2 square. 2 minus 2 square. E is equal to minus 2. Not belonging to the Q only. Okay, na? So star is not a identity. Now write down. Star is not identity. Star is not identity. Star is not identity. Is it clear, everyone? So second problem also completed. I go through the third problem. Everyone see the third problem. Third problem. What is the third problem? Is A star B is equal to A plus AB. A star B is equal to A plus AB. Right. Third bit. Everyone see the third bit. A star B is equal to A plus AB. Commutative check them, everyone. First element plus product of first and second. First element plus product of first and second. Both are not equal. So A star B is not equal to B star A. Star is not commutative. Star is not commutative. Finish. Associative. Check them, everyone. Check the associative. Check the associative. A star. This is first element plus product of the two. First element plus product of the two. That is equal to first element and product of the two. A into B plus BC. This is A plus AB plus ABC. Now find out bracket of A star B star C. Everyone check. First element A, product of AB star C. First element A plus AB plus product of A plus AB into C. Therefore, A plus AB plus AC plus ABC. Therefore, different. A star B, A star B star C is not equal to bracket of A star B star C. Star is not associative. Star is not associative. Star is not associative. Is not associative. Okay? Is not associative. Identity. Take two parts. A star E is equal to A. A is equal to E star A. Only one value we can get. Different values is means no identity. Right. See, here is first element plus product of the first two is equal to A. A cancel. A is equal to 0. E is equal to 0. Come to the here. A is equal to first element, product of the first two element, A is equal to E common 1 plus A. So A by here E is equal to 0, A not equal to 0. Then only it will become. So here is A by A plus 1 is equal to different identity, unique identity, different identity, different identity. So unique identity is needed, different identity. Therefore, star is not identity, not identity. That's enough. Star is not identity. So this is the third bit also completed. Everyone goes to the fourth bit. Everyone go through the fourth bit. Fourth bit is, what is the fourth bit is given? A star B is equal to A minus B whole square. A star B. Fourth bit is A star B is equal to A minus B whole square. Check everyone. Here is A star B is equal to A minus B whole square. Okay, now? So B star A is equal to B minus A whole square. This can be written as A minus B whole square. Therefore, A star B is equal to B star A. Star is commutative. Is commutative. Associative, check everyone. So A star B minus C whole square. Next one is A minus of B minus C. A minus of B minus C whole square and whole square. Whole square and whole square. This is A minus of B, A minus B square minus C square plus 2AC whole square. Right here you check among A minus B whole square star C. This element minus this element whole square. A minus B whole square minus C whole square. This is A square plus B square minus 2AB minus C whole square. So both are not equal. A star B star C is not equal to A star of B star C. Star is not a associative. Star is not associative. Is not associative. Star is not associative. Okay, na? Right. Everyone come to the here. Two parts we can make. A star E is equal to A. A is equal to E star A. Different identity not required. Unique identity required. So A star E is A minus E whole square is equal to A minus E whole square is equal to A minus E is equal to root A. Root terms E is equal to A minus of root A does not belongs to Q. Therefore, star is not a identity. Therefore, star is not a identity. Give one example here. One example you should be give. So A is equal to minus 2. E is equal to minus 2 minus of root of minus 2. This is the rational number. So root of minus 2 not defined. Root of minus 2 not a rational number. Therefore, it is not a identity. Okay, na? Right. Fourth bit also completed. Go through the fifth bit. Fifth bit is everyone see the fifth bit is A star B. A star B is equal to AB by 4. Commutative AB by 4. BA by 4. We should write AB by 4. So A star B is equal to B star A commutative. Now come to the everyone. Everyone check. A star BC by 4. Next one. First element into second element. A into BC by 4. That is equal to ABC by 16. Come here. AB by 4 star C. First element AB by 4 into C by 4. This is the ABC by 16. ABC by 16. Therefore, A star B star C. Therefore, A star bracket of B star C is equal to A star B star C. Therefore, star is associative. Right. Everyone find out the identity. Take identity among. Here, A star E is equal to A. AE by 4 is equal to A cancel. E is equal to 4. Okay, na? Here A is equal to A by 4. So A cancel. E is equal to 4. Unique identity. So unique identity. Star has identity. Star has identity. Okay, na? Star has identity. Last bit we can do means total 9 and 10 problems is completed. Okay, na? Tomorrow only 10, 11, 12 we have to discuss in the class. Immediately we go through the inverse trigonometric function. Okay, na? Everyone watch this video. Any doubt is there, we can tell me tomorrow. I will explain once again. Okay, na? Right. Sixth bit, everyone see. A star B is equal to defined by AB square. First element into second element square. First element A into B square. Now find out. Right, Amma? A into B square. Here is the A. Here is the B into A square. Not equal. Star is not commutative. Star is not commutative. Associative. AC square. AC square. Next, first element AC square. Okay, no? Sorry. B into C square. First element is the same. Second element square. That is A, B square, C power of 4. Here is come, everyone. Check. A, B square, star C. Second one is the same. First one is the same. Second one is the square. Not equal. Star is not associative. Star is not associative. Star is not associative. Right, check everyone. Check, here is the check. Identita, not identita. See, first element, second element, square is equal to A. A cancel, E square is equal to 1. But E is equal to plus or minus 1. Different identities, different identities, different identities. Star is not identity. That's enough. Here we can check different only we can get A is equal to E, A square. So A is 1A is cancel, E is equal to 1 by A. Different identity, star is not a identity. That's enough. So 9 problem, 10 problem complete is completed. Okay, na? Is completed. Only 11 and 12 we have discussed in the class. 11 and 12. Okay, na? 11 and 12 we discuss in the class. 11, 12, 13 we have to discuss in the class. Program